Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to introduce you to Steampipe, an open source tool that helps you query and analyze data from various cloud services using SQL. Steampipe makes it easy to gather information from multiple cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and GCP without needing complex data pipelines. With its wide range of plugins, you can query your cloud infrastructure as if it were a live database, allowing you to quickly find insights and make informed decisions. Why use SQL? Because it's a widely understood language that provides a consistent way to interact with data. With Steampipe, you can use SQL queries to find security issues, manage cloud resources, and even explore data from APIs. Getting started with Steampipe is quick and easy. You can install it in under a minute and immediately begin querying your data without setting up a separate database. Steampipe's Zero-ETL architecture ensures that everything runs directly from the source, providing real-time access to your data. Steampipe also offers dashboards and compliance benchmarks, making it a handy tool for developers, security teams, and IT professionals who need to monitor and manage their cloud environments. In short, Steampipe is a practical tool for accessing and analyzing cloud data using SQL. It's designed to simplify your work and help you make better decisions with real-time data insights. Thanks for watching, and I encourage you to give Steampipe a try.